Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming permissions. You need page admin rights and the specific lead ads form selected. Once confirmed, open a new Google Sheet and copy the spreadsheet ID from the URL. It identifies where leads will land. Next, sign into Zapier or make and connect both your Facebook and Google accounts. This authorizes data transfer. Make sure you allow both read and write scopes. Now create a new automation, Zap or Scenario, and choose Facebook lead ads as the trigger. Once the trigger is created, pick the exact Facebook page and lead form. This ensures the right data stream. Next, add an action to find or create a row in Google Sheets. Map lead fields like name, email, phone to the sheet columns you prepared. If the tool offers a find row step, use it to prevent duplicates, otherwise append rows. Run the built-in test. Send a sample lead through to confirm columns align. If fields mismatch, adjust mapping and retest until values land correctly. Now activate the Zap or Scenario and watch the first 10 entries fill your sheet. This validates real-world behavior. Once live, add secondary actions if needed, send notifications, tag contacts, or backup rows to another sheet. For troubleshooting, if leads stop arriving, first check task history for error messages, then reauthorize the Facebook or Google connection and inspect rate limits. If mapping still fails, recreate the action step and run a fresh test. This usually clears stale tokens or schema mismatches and restores flow.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.